I don't know how much of this is supposed to stick out or if it goes like that. It looks like it's in a decent spot. Is it long enough now? Still not long enough.
Two more inches, huh?
Yeah.
Find it somewhere.
Well, plenty of up here. So it doesn't mean I had it right. So,
Nightmare figured out.
this one, left turn signal. This one will go here, and then this one will go here.
Either wire.
Yeah, so I got the brake ones hooked up, and the switch on there, or male, there's two male pins. Left turn signal. Right turn.
How about the back? Yep.
The time period. Still no headlights.
Yeah, I think the headlight switch is just bad.
Yeah.
And then,
Oh yeah.
Okay, that's good.